want to say a very big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to us this clay bead bracelet making kit. This kit is absolutely lovely. The packaging, first of all, is really nice and pretty. It's really giftable. And in the kit here, you get 5,300 clay beads with a really nice variety of colours. And not only beads, you also get charms, letters, clasps, thread, and all the tools you need to make bracelets. The kit is perfect for 6 and above and will make a really great gift, maybe to a daughter, a granddaughter, or a friend. Or maybe you just want to spend a really nice day together creating bracelets. The beads are really pretty, really well made. They are completely odourless and they fit really nicely on the thread that's included. You also get in the kit here this transparent case which keeps everything really nice and tidy so you can organise what you have. It comes with elastic thread, scissors and tweezers, so you have everything you need here in the kit. You don't need to buy anything else. This is a really nice gift. It's a lovely way to spend some time making some bracelets which you can give or give away as friendship bracelets. I really like that there's everything you need in here to make your bracelets. You haven't got to get anything else. Everything is really tidy. It's just a really giftable product. The quality is really nice. I like how strong the thread is. It's not going to snap, and the clasps feel really good quality as well. I think this is going to make a really lovely gift for someone. They're really going to appreciate it and have a lovely time creating lots and lots of bracelets to give or to share.